Hello everyone, welcome to Tamiya Arts. Today I am creating a beautiful home decor. If you want to recreate it, then follow the steps. Take a cardboard and cut out 3 pieces of any shape you like. I chose fish because I want to give it a traditional look. Now cover all of these with a white chart paper as I am doing in the video. Now let's start coloring these. For the first one I am using red and yellow color. I will color second piece with the dark blue and light blue color. For the third piece I am using dark green and light green color. I am coloring these from back side also because I wanted to make it a 2-in-1 piece. Now I am making some random patterns with white color, and trust me, this was very satisfying. I have colored all the pieces from both the sides. Now it's time to attach them together to make it a wall hanging. Here I am using wool and some pearls to make it beautiful. You can follow the same steps as I am doing in the video. After attaching all the pieces together, our home decor is ready. Tell me in the comments how it's looking. See you in the next video. Till then, stay blessed. Bye bye.